My perspective is always to try and treat your patient like you would your family member and be a part of their team, taking care of them.
I truly believe that we would not be where we are today in our current pandemic situation without him. He was truly a guiding light in some pretty dark times.
Early on, it was all about just focusing on, we know what we know, and what we do first and foremost for any patient, whether we have a treatment or not, is to care for them. And as long as you care for the patient first, everything else works its way forward.
He also said that I'm going to be right there fighting this along with you, and I think that really struck a lot of staff and providers that, he's in this with us, we can do this as a team.
We're really lucky and blessed that we would have a leader that, first of all, is so knowledgeable clinically, but also leads in a way that's calm and reassuring and positive and sincere. That leadership style has been so important to us during this pandemic. What was most important or meant the most to me was his advice of don't panic, be positive, and kindness counts.
I was really touched and pleased when Shelley gave me this sweater. It's my Mr. Rogers sweater. Early on in the early days of the pandemic, when we were having meetings, I would often be wearing my red coat.
I quickly realized who he reminded me of, and that was Mr. Rogers with that red sweater, that calming demeanor.
I actually have used quotes from Mr. Rogers to help us conceptualize how we should be treating each other. During these times, we need to look for the helpers, and that's what Fred Rogers used to say.
He was not only the Mr. Rogers explaining scary things to us, but he was one of the helpers and is one of the helpers still today.
I think the next year is going to be a challenge as we continue to try and bend that curve of infection down and wait, hopefully, for improved therapeutic options and, God willing, a vaccine. But I think it's important for people to remember that we still do have the power to control what we can control and make good decisions for ourselves, our families, and our communities. And remember those 3 rules of not panicking and be positive and kindness. I think we can all extend each other grace and do our best to rely on our better natures as we go forward in this together.